We've always known Australia has a serious talent for building tough, clever RVs and campers, and Jayco Australia is a huge reason why. These folks have been behind a ton of the rigs you see tearing across the outback, and one of their newer creations is something a little different but very cool, the Crosstrail toy hauler. Now, when most people hear toy hauler, they imagine a massive trailer designed to swallow ATVs, dirt bikes, motorcycles, maybe even a small car. The Crosstrail absolutely plays in that space. But here's the twist. It does it in a compact, no-nonsense package. This is a toy hauler that feels purpose-built for rough terrain, not oversized campgrounds. At just 5.2 meters long, or about 17 feet, and riding on a single axle, it's designed to glide over obstacles instead of getting hung up on them. Underneath, Jayco didn't mess around. You're looking at a hot-dipped galvanized steel chassis paired with their JTECH 2.0 suspension system, which is essentially a trailing A-arm setup with coil springs. In simple terms, it's built to take abuse and keep rolling when the trail gets ugly. On top of that, the Crosstrail uses a heavy-duty floor, so it can comfortably handle the weight of up to 3 dirt bikes, while aluminum panels help keep things light and corrosion-resistant. Dry weight sits around 1,735 kilograms, which is impressive for what this thing can do. Add in a DO35 coupling, nitro tires, and that aggressive external cage, and suddenly this little trailer looks ready for war. And here's the part that might actually make you pause the video for a second. In Australia, this thing starts at around 22,963 Australian dollars, which works out to roughly 14,860 US dollars at current exchange rates. Yeah, that probably made your eyebrows go up. As for hauling gear, the Crosstrail is properly thought out. You can raise the front section of the roof to give yourself more headroom when loading, and fold-down loading ramps are part of the setup. Dirt bikes are the obvious choice, but some ATVs can fit too, along with kayaks, inflatable gear, and pretty much anything else you want to bring along. Built-in tie-down points make sure everything stays exactly where it should while you're moving. What really pushes this trailer into standout territory, though, is the fact that it's not just a hauler. It can double as a legit camping rig. Jayco offers options for a rooftop tent, side awnings, and portable power and water systems, turning this into a proper base camp. Their Adventure Power Pack adds a 100 amp-hour lithium battery, 200 watts of solar, a DC-DC charger, and a Projecta battery management system. Pair that with the Water Essentials Pack, and you get 80 liters of water, a 12-volt pump, and a tank sensor. If you go all in with those packages, you can unlock the kitchen setup as well. That's where things really start to feel like camp life done right. Sunset cooking sessions, cold drinks, and zero stress after a long day outside. Suddenly, the Crosstrail feels like way more than just a place to stash your toys. All of these extras live up front, where Jayco has built in generous cabinets and storage bays. Whether you stick with their accessories or bring your own gear, there's plenty of room to load up. You can even opt for a rock guard for extra protection if you plan on pushing deep into rough terrain. Sure, adding options will bump up the price, but when you're done, you end up with a rig that turns heads wherever you park it. And once people hear what you paid for it, don't be surprised if you make a few new friends, and maybe inspire someone else to chase the same lifestyle. Put yourself out there with this thing, whether you're riding, fishing, surfing, or just exploring. And it's easy to see why the Crosstrail works for so many kinds of adventurers. The only real downside is availability. Right now, it's sold only in mainland Australia, Tasmania, and New Zealand. That naturally raises the question of whether Jayco USA would ever build something like this. Given that Jayco Australia and Jayco USA operate as separate entities these days, the odds aren't great. While there are a few American brands playing in this compact toy hauler space, this particular setup remains a very Aussie-only treat. And honestly, that just makes it even cooler.